Hello and welcome back to Live Happy Locs. I am your host, Tori Franklin. I am 6 beautiful months into my loc journey, and for the first time in 3 months, I am going to retwist my hair. I'm fresh out of the shower, and I'm going to show you what these babies are looking like right now. As you can see, there is a lot of new growth by the root. There's a lot of hair that's kind of on its own, doing its own thing. There's a ton of frizz. But even so, I've never had a problem with mirroring because every time I washed it, I always made sure to separate my locks while they were wet. For this retwisting process, I am not using any gel. I do not like that it leaves residue, I don't like that it flakes, and I don't like that it makes my scalp itch. So I am going to be using a concoction that I made, which is 100% natural aloe vera juice, filtered water, and tea tree oil. My oil concoction is jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, argan oil, neem oil, vitamin E oil, and avocado oil. I also add a little bit of lemon oil because it helps naturally dye your hair brighter in the sunlight. I spray every single loc and oil every single loc at the root before beginning because it's very important that your locks are moist as you do the retwisting process. There are many methods in which one can retwist their locks. There's palm rolling, interlocking, locksmithing, crocheting, but what I do is called root wrapping. I do not twist the entire loc. I simply wrap the hair, the loose hair that is around the root of the loc. The loose hair around the rest of the loc, I will gently wrap around the loc as well. I'm going to slow the video down so you can see the actual process. I'm not too particular about my parts. I'm not worried about them being perfect. So I do just use my fingers a lot of the times. I just try to make sure that there isn't too many hairs crossing over. Dance break, snack break. Loc wrapping everything, parting mostly with my fingers, sometimes with the rat tail comb in the front. And I'm not wrapping anything too tightly. I don't want my edges to have too much tension. This is how my hair is looking halfway through. I'm loving it so far, and even though I'm just using my fingers, the parts look pretty nice. By using this technique, I feel like it will allow for my locks to stay thicker and to be thicker more quickly. The palm rolling technique is said to make your locks more sleek, and I would like mine to be more bumbly and fumbly and have all the little lumps that come naturally with it. And there you go. Six months locked. Afterwards, I put my hair into a simple style. I just braided them back so that I can keep it like this for a week or so, and I love it. Anyways, thank you so much for joining me on Live Happy Locs. See you soon. Live happy.